Okay, Megatron. Okay, so we're gonna do sketch of this. So this is completed the square form. Once you have a completed square form, you can do a sketch, right? So first thing you gotta figure out is this curve, is it a happy or a happy curve? Happy. Why? Because it's positive, right? So the shape is like this. This is y, this is x. Axis.
How would you know it's negative and positive?
How do what? Because when you expand this, the x square value is positive.
Okay.
Yeah, it's positive, right? So it's a U-shape, kind of U-shaped curve. So the other difficulty here is you got an x. This x plus 2. So what you do is you can immediately determine the minimum point is actually minus 2 comma minus 3. Okay, so you gotta remember, this one must memorize. You gotta memorize this. You gotta memorize this. Okay, so what do you need to memorize? The x value inverse this. Plus become minus, minus become plus. Step 1. Step 2, minus 3, just plug this value inside here. So your minimum point immediately, without doing any calculation, is minus 2, minus 3, which is over here. So it's negative 2, negative 3, like that. Okay, so I know my U-shaped curve is going to go something like this. Okay, but then the next problem is I do not know where does it cut, right? So what can I do? Now let's say I want to find out where does it cut the y-axis. I put x equals to 0. Able to see it? Right? Oh no. Yeah. So we put x equals to 0. Okay, so we gotta put x equals to 0. So when you put x equals to 0, what do you get? Y equals to 0 plus 2 square minus 3. So 2 square is 4. So 4 minus 3 equals to 1. So when x equals 0, y equals to 1. So it cuts at 1 here. That means this thing gotta go up this way and go up this way. Okay? Never mind, it's okay. This it's your sketch. Your sketch, you sketch it yourself. So then the other two values is how about here and here? What should these two values be? You let y equals to no, let y equals 0. To find the other 2 points, let y equals to 0. So when y equals 0, x plus 2 square equals to 3. So x plus 2 equals to square root plus minus 3. Alright, and you find that your x equals to either positive square root 3 minus 2 or negative square root 3 minus 2. Okay, and you take out your trusty calculator. So you do a square root 3 minus 2. Right? Oops, square root 3 equals to then minus 2. So we get negative. This is either negative 0.27 or this one square root 3 or minus, so it's plus 2, negative 3.73. Right? So the first value here is negative 0.27. Then the other value is negative 3.73. Got it? Right? So you gotta know how to convert from. Do you want me to repeat again? Okay, let's repeat one more time. So this is completed square form. You know what's completed square form? You gotta do completed square to a quadratic equation. So you get a completed square form that looks like this. So how do you recognize that this is a completed square form? It always has a y equals to x plus 2 square minus or plus something. It's always a bracket, square, minus or plus the number. Okay. It's completed square form. Right. First thing to determine, is it a U shape or a N shape? So we know it's a U shape. Next, find the minimum point. So how to find the minimum point? This value, this is a plus 2, invert, so become minus. Then just take this value as it is, bring down. So negative 2, negative 3 is the minimum point. So once you have this, you draw like a small U shape here. Next, you want to determine where is the y, where does it cut, the y-intercept. substitute x equals to 0. 0 lah, say 0. Right? X equals 0. Here, then you'll find that it cuts at 1. Okay? Next, you want to find these two values. What do? Let y equals to what? 0. Then you do. You get these two values. Which is over here. Right? So you get these two values here, and you're fine. Then you can sketch this graph. Okay? And then you score the marks that you want.